So we are having a date night. We just got to Texas Roadhouse.
Gift card city.
Yeah, we have a gift card. So let's go. We're resisting the rolls because we're trying to eat healthy. It's probably not working very well. Yum. So now we are at Petco, walking around to see what they have when we get our puppy in a couple weeks. So I'm just gonna see what they have. Oh my god, a little dog hat. I know, this is all so cute. Jackets. Oh my god. I really do want to get it something warm to wear when we get it. This is a cute dog toy. Oh my god. These are so cute. Look, it's like gender neutral, you know? Oh, this is cool.
This is odd.
I like it. This is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
The elephant too.
Oh my god. So cute. Look at how cute all of this is. So cute. I'm dead. Oh my god, look at this.
That's cute.
Oops. It needs something because we're getting it. We're getting it at Valentine's Day, 2 days before.
Yes.
Look, I could get it a rose and it could accept my final rose. Oh my.
Yeah. How about something warm? Look.
That's so cute though. Like seriously. $12.
Like
Look at this dog bowl.
Where are you going, big guy?
Ooh, that's so creepy.
There's more lizards and stuff in here.
Oh, all I can see is myself.
Oh. 50% off.
Aw, he's probably been here a while. Poor guy. Ew, all I see is crickets.
Look at those turtles.
Oh. So I've never wanted a snake, and I still don't, but people actually paid that much money for a snake? Like, I really don't understand why these are so expensive. Who is spending that much money on a snake?
$100 for this weird dragon.
What?
Look at these guys down there. Alright, these ones look cool. The
But
geckos.
like $70? Oh my god, I am shocked.
Look at these sleepy guys.
Yeah.
Let's just chill.
I just can't get over how expensive these are.
You know what? If you can't afford that, you shouldn't have it.
Oh, but jeez. Also, how cute is all of this? Look, there's literally little backpacks and hats. Oh my god.
Yeah, look at this bed though.
I love these collars. It's also cute. Oops. Yeah, it is fancy. So cute. Yeah. Now, we still have 1 hour. Home, and I don't know if we ever even updated that we are getting a dog, hence why we've been like looking at dog stuff. I don't think I've ever said it.
I don't think so.
So part of Zach's Christmas present was surprising him with that we're gonna get a dog. So now we found golden doodle puppies and we're gonna be getting it on February 12th. We haven't picked it out yet. We do that in a couple weeks, but that's why we've been like looking at a lot of dog stuff. We have a crate. So after we went to the pet store, we went to TJ Maxx and we got some stuff for our dog, so we thought we would show you guys. Okay, so the first thing we got is just this little mat to put its food and water on, And then for a water bowl, we went with this one because it was bigger. It's like really big. It's right done and it just says woof. And then for food, we got this one that's smaller that just says good dog. But how cute is that?
It's very cute.
And then we just got some Burt's Bees puppy shampoo because we want it to be clean. And then we also got this Ray Dunn dog treat jar. I like it because it has this, even though that was one thing Zach wasn't a fan of. But it's more unique. And then since we're getting it on February 12th, we had to get a Valentine's Day present. So we just got this like rope thing. That's super cute. So after TJ Maxx, we ran into Dick's just to walk around. And then I saw these and they were a really good sale. So I got these sneakers. They're really cool. So yeah, now we are back.
From Jumanji, do you see what we're going to do?
Oh yeah, we went and saw Jumanji.
Jumanji 2.
2. What did you think of it?
That was really good. Just
Yeah.
as good as first, not better.
Yeah, it was good.
And
Curious to
looks like
see.
there's a third one coming.
Yeah, I'm curious to see what we'll go with that. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.